and good morning to you. So today we're going to work on this beautiful little Juniper Nana. Although she's little, she's actually about 15 years old, maybe a tiny bit more. I'll give you a spin to see what we're going to be working with today. She's getting ready for a show. We're going to have to work on the pot, like extremely. We're going to have to work on her extremely. Look how overgrown. Oh my, give her a bit of love and attention. She's got a baby amount of weeds, which is lovely considering how many weeds I've been dealing with lately. So she's going to get a brushing, a sculpting, trimming. That's my solar panels kicking on if you hear that in the background. Hello. Love solar though. Gonna get her ready to go into a show. Let's get this Juniper baby all cleaned up, ready for her big debut. Okay, so first things first, we're gonna do some brushing and trimming. We're gonna way down. Okay. I just want to say that when you work on a Juniper Nana, it's like getting a therapeutic retreat. She smells yummy, and I have read that pines and such will give you a, I don't know, their smell, the perfume that they let off is relaxing and therapeutic for you. So I just want to say that when you're doing your Juniper Nanas and those such types of trees, it is a lovely time because you do get to smell how wonderful they are. And sometimes for those who don't have the forest or the jungle in their environment, it's nice to have maybe one of these little babies that you can brush around, and then when you brush it, it gives off that smell. Quite lovely. I totally recommend, therapeutically speaking. I kind of hate to take off more of the top because it is kind of top or bottom heavy, but I think there's a couple of branches I'm really gonna have to take off, and that is this one right here and this one right here. I think that's gonna open it up a whole lot more and make it a little bit more, yeah. Cutting, we're so cutting. Ah! Let's do a bit of weeding. Are you being a little baby boy? What? Are you? What? Are you needing some lovies or what? You're over there crying at me a little bit. Well, what? What is it you want? What do you want? Tell Masha. Well, I mean, I'm not giving you some lovies. You need to go for a walk. You what? You need something, huh? Need mommy to take a break? Yeah? You need mommy to take a break? Okay, mommy take break. I'm gonna take a break from my little baby boy. He needs some lovies. His name is Denver. So I've given the Denver some lovies, and I think he's okay for right now. We're gonna get back to it. Okay, just got done scraping off a bit of the top rock area and stuff all the way around, just so that I can put all fresh bling bling new ones, because it's going to go into a show soon. And I'm also going to work on the pot, I think, before I put the top rock on, so probably going to do that next. And I'm going to use my little pumice stone. It is so adorable and works so well. Love it. It makes life so much easier. And so I am going to do this whole thing with that, and it is going to take a bit of time because this one has a decent amount of a water stain on it, which is kind of lovely in its own, what's the word I'm looking for? Ancient, aged, patinaed. You know what I kind of mean, right? So see how pretty it is, and that's with the water stain, which is, you know, it is lovely, but yeah, we're gonna clean it. Okay, it's gonna take time. Bye. I'm not sure if you can see the shininess that is starting to happen here with this right here. After a bit of time with this, actually. The last time that I had this in a show, I did not do a thorough clean of it with a pumice stone. I just kind of wiped it down and let it be its antiqued, patinaed self with water stain and rusticness to it. But this time I planned on cleaning it. It may be a bit of a job because it's been a bit of time since this one's been cleaned, and the water stains are a bit hard to get off. So I am going to work on this for a while. All right. Oh my gosh. OMFG. So I used my little pumice stone on this pot, and it was water stained, as you saw, like crazy. This, I have said before in a previous video, that is like a magic eraser. OMG. I mean, water stains? What? Crazy magic. Okay, this is like smooth to the touch now. I mean, this is a glazed pot, so smooth, glossy is what it should feel like. Not. Ah! Alright, now it's design time. Yeah, I mean, it already has been designed and I'm just putting back, but at the same time, design time. So I have this little rock, which I don't know if you can tell, it has a hole in the center of it. Ooh, ooh, see? Yep, right there. So I'm gonna put that in. I have a bit more of the lichen, which I love. I have this moss that I'm gonna kind of fit around the base of it. Normally, I may take that off, but considering that it's getting ready to go into a show, I'm gonna leave it like, you know, all natural. We're gonna put this in this area. Let's see, where would I like it? Maybe there. And then maybe this little one. Right there. What do we think about that, Jules? So I'm gonna add some rock to it. Let's do that right now. Here's our little Juniper Nana. She's all ready to go. Look how pretty. Let's give her a spin. We trimmed, we brushed, we de-weeded, we brushed, well, brushed, I don't know. We pumice stoned the pot. Very nice. See through the tree nicely. A little bit of depth, a little bit of dimension going on, better than before. Like I said, this top's a little, but we'll work on that. We may do a totally different design with her later. We'll see what happens. You know, the thing about bonsai is that it's a ambiguous art. It is ever changing, and it's growing. It's alive. And it's beautiful. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for being with me.